I'm gonna wait till it gets LED bulbs, little user's manual, and looks like they should be perfect plug and play. They got the tabs on them, the location tabs, plugs on the back. Should be able to just plug them in and have my family that much safer. Ugly, dull, faded yellow lights. Let's see if we can fix that. This one looks like it'll be easy to get to. So does this one. Sweet. So, I'm not sure if you can see that or not, but there is this retainer there around the edge. So, wiggle the plug off, and then you can kind of see up here towards the top that there's a wire clip. You squeeze them, and that wire clip rolls backwards. The bulb almost falls right out into your hands. We'll put our new bulbs in. And it should be a one-way fit. So the third prong was on the top. So theoretically, we should be able to just slide that in there, just like it was. Swing the metal clip back up into place. That locks the bulb in. Yep, feels solid. Just plug our connector back in. Perfect. Super simple upgrade. Let's get the other side quick. All right, just that easy. Let's see how these Rimthin lights perform. Walk around here, flick them on. Oh man, look at the bright, crisp white light that has compared to the yellow light when we pulled it in. I'm gonna wait till it gets dark, take this thing for a ride. So unfortunately, with the FJ, you can't turn the headlights all the way off. They're just on all the time, but I'm here to tell you what, these are absolutely amazing. That is the low beam and high beam. Holy smokes, what a difference. Driving this thing in this crummy weather has been absolutely amazing.